Hi guys, I hope you're having a great evening. So my name is Ivana and welcome to my channel. I am sitting here late at night in my skivvies, as Lori calls them, and I just couldn't wait to do this unboxing because I've been so excited to receive this bag, and I just want to share it with you. But the UPS guy came late, and so I was kind of hoping that I had daylight to do this, but things happen. This is a brand that I don't see much on YouTube, and I honestly don't know why. I've had several of these bags before, but when I discovered Dooney, I kind of found that I was only reaching for my Doonies, so I went ahead and sold the bags that I had. Little bit of regret there. So whenever the presentation comes on Evine Live, I watch them because I just like to look at the beautiful art. Yes, I consider these bags art. Ever since Christmas, when I got the zebra bag from Dooney and I returned it, I've kind of been looking for a replacement, but not really looking because I did give myself I think I gave myself a 4-bag limit this year, and I'm already 1 in, so this is going to be number 2. So I'm going a little bit fast on my limit, but this was really pretty, so I thought I would give it a try. I'm also going to link in the description a really good video from the company itself that explains about their company and the process and everything. The bags they're all handmade, hand painted, hand signed by the owner, so everything is an original art piece. And I just think that is the most awesome thing about this company. I do think it is an awesome company, and it's family owned, family operated, and all of the artisans who paint the handbags are trained, and they are artisans. I really do believe they are, because they paint everything by hand. And when you see the artworks, they're just gorgeous. So this purchase is from Evine. And I haven't had one of these in a long time, so let's just see how everything comes. So it had a little bit of stuffing in the box. It looks like it's wrapped in plastic and then wrapped further within the dust bag. The dust bag feels kind of similar to the Dooney dust bags, a little kind of like stiffer maybe, or pretty similar itself. It's got the name of the company. This is Anuschka, and it means like no other, and it truly is like no other. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. You guys are gonna think this is way out of the box for me, and it is way out of the box for me because I'm more of a neutral person, and you see it all back there. Tans, browns, Bordeaux's, occasionally a red. I love red lately though. It's really gorgeous. It's making me so happy. But this one is really bold and really big and really colorful. Look at that gorgeous peony. It's called Precious Peony Eggplant, and it is so gorgeous. It's kind of a purple eggplanty color. The strap is an eggplant, and it's supposed to be a hobo, but it's very kind of streamlined and structured, and these bags have a lot of organizational features usually. Now what I find with them is you're going to find that the leather is very lightweight. It's not thick leather like you find on a Dooney or maybe a Michael Kors bag. It's more of a thinner leather like you might find on a Coach outlet bag. And it's just, it's very soft, And I will say that when I did own these bags in the past, I carried them like everyday bags, and I never had any problem with any paint coming off, any chipping. I did not treat them with anything. They do sell a protector spray, but I didn't buy it, so there is really not an issue with worrying about that. This bag has feet. And do you see the gorgeous shading? That's part of the artwork and what they do to make these bags come to life. And there is also a lot of metallic paints on these artworks that you may not see. Like looking at this in the whites or the lighter colors of the flower, it's kind of a silvery metallic when I see it in person, but you're probably not going to see that on camera. So the strap is not adjustable. So it's a shorter strap bag, which I love. So that's perfect for me. What I also love about these bags is the back is not just an exact replica of the front. The back in itself is different artwork than you find on the front. And I oftentimes like the backs better than the front. So this front has one huge flower because that's all they can fit, and that's what the presenter said. But on the back, you see like a little whimsical kind of a interpretation of what you find on the front. And I think this is just so stunning because I'm not really a florally type of a bag person. I like solid colors, at the most maybe some monograms on there. But this just, there's just something about this that speaks to me. So what you'll find, there's a cell phone pocket right here. And they've made it wide enough, and I won't be able to test my iPhone, so I'm sorry guys. I'm gonna have to tell you that in a later video. I have the 6S Plus, it's the bigger one. So looking at this now, it looks like it might be wide enough, but I'm not sure. And I think that if I did put my phone in here, it may stick out a little bit at the top. But you don't have to put your phone in there because you've got a zipper pocket. And in here you will find a little romance card from Anuschka and a very generous pocket here that sweeps the length of the zipper and pretty much to the bottom of the bag. And here is the signature from usually it's the father or the mother that signs the bag. But look at that. Those greens on the petals are metallic. Oh my God, it's just so stunning. Now, something they didn't even talk about in the presentation is there are some zippers on the sides here. And I'm already knowing this bag is a keeper. I mean, this is stunning. In person, it is probably more stunning than on camera. So I unzip the side and I see that it's a pocket that my whole hand fits in up to here. And it is a separate compartment from this back zipper, so they don't meet up. It doesn't have a pocket on the other side here. It's only on one side. This is what it looks like here. Nice kind of a antique brass zipper. Oh, I forgot. This bag comes with another little bonus piece, a little coin pouch, matching. See how the front is different than the back? There's the front, there's the back. These bags also come with key keepers, similar to the length of Dooney. And it's the material of the lining, which is kind of a purple, kind of a nylon-y type of a lining. And the hardware is the same color as the zipper hardware. Another thing this bag came with, which some of the Anuschka bags don't come with, but some of the higher end or the more expensive ones have these beautiful keychains that come with them, and they place them as bag charms in the presentation. So this still has some wrapping on it. I didn't quite get all the wrapping off, but It's very heavy and chunky. It is a brass Anuschka hang tag with some of the eggplant colored leather and a very heavy kind of a claw here of the same brass as the zipper. And I will hook this on to one of the right here, and it looks really pretty, and I love that keychain on there. So it's very well stuffed, and it's got a nice little, oh, it's just perfect. It's my favorite shape. So inside it looks, it's going to be hard to see. In each of the Anuschka bags, you will find a white patch of leather. And this is the color of the leather before it begins the whole painting process. So before this bag was hand painted by artisans, it started out as white leather like this. So on the back wall, you have a slip pocket and then a zipper pocket, similar to the Dooney setup. And on the front wall, you have two leather trimmed slip pockets, very similar to the Dooney setup. One's a little larger and one is smaller. And other than that, it's just an open pit. Oh, there it is. And you will see that it's got a little pattern. It's kind of a nylon-y material. It's very nice. It's very nice. It's not as, you know, cottony and thick feeling as the Dooney red material, but it is very nice. It's just a beautiful summer bag. I know you guys are thinking, what is going on with her? But I just do find this so, so beautiful. Let me see if I can show you what the hardware here looks like. So it's just attached like that. It is not removable. And the hardware is a heavy brass, antiqued brass hardware ring. And these little rivets do not say anything on them. They're just plain. I'm just looking at it. I'm taking it all in, guys. Taking it all in. So, pardon my PJs. It does not pass the elbow test. And this is what it looks like. It's just one of those, carry it close to the body, under the arm. It starts out as being very lightweight already, so you can pack this one and not feel like you're too weighed down. Thanks for letting me share. And once again, this is the Anuschka Painted Leather Zip Top Hobo in Precious Peony Eggplant. And I just love it. There's the back again. These are just some of my favorite colors, all put together in one beautiful piece of artwork that I get to carry with me. And that's what I love about these. So thanks, guys. Again, this can be found on eVine Live. And they have so many different styles and price ranges. And usually they're all on value pay. And I believe when they have shows or events, sometimes the prices are a little better, so it's often times better to wait until they have an event. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you would like to join my YouTube family, please hit the subscribe button and hit the little bell if you want to be notified when I post more videos. Have a great week, guys. Thanks. Bye-bye.